Ever wondered what your food truly looks like? Not just the appetizing image on the package, but the hidden world revealed under a microscope. Today, we're diving deep into the microscopic realm of food, exploring secrets no one usually tells you. First up, let's talk about bread. That fluffy loaf you love is a bustling city of yeast, gluten, and starch. Under the lens, you'll see air pockets formed by the carbon dioxide released by the yeast, creating that airy texture we all enjoy. The gluten proteins form a network, giving the bread its structure. And the starch granules? They're the fuel that gives you energy. Next, consider a juicy apple. What does it look like on a microscopic level? You'll find cells with thick walls, the building blocks of the fruit. Inside these cells, you'll see vacuoles filled with water and sugars, giving the apple its crispness and sweetness. And the tiny structures? They're the chloroplasts, the sites of photosynthesis, where the apple gets its energy from the sun. Now let's zoom in on a piece of cheese. Whether it's cheddar, brie, or mozzarella, cheese is teeming with life. You'll see bacteria, the good kind, working their magic, breaking down the milk proteins and creating the flavors we crave. The fat molecules are scattered throughout, giving the cheese its texture. And the protein network, it's what holds it all together. But the microscope also reveals the unseen. Sometimes you'll find unwelcome guests, molds, bacteria, and other microorganisms that can spoil your food. That's why food safety is so important. From washing your fruits and vegetables to properly storing leftovers, every step helps keep your food safe. So, the next time you eat, remember the hidden world that lies beneath. It's a reminder of the complex processes that bring food to your table, and the importance of understanding what you're eating. The microscopic view reveals both the beauty and the fragility of our food, transforming the simple act of eating into a fascinating exploration. It's a journey that connects you to the source and the science of what you consume.